Welcome to PC Error Detective. Today, we're diving into how to fix the issue when Google couldn't verify that your account belongs to you, especially when you have no recovery email or phone number. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step guides. Let's begin with step 1. Navigate to google.com/accounts/recovery. This is your starting point for account recovery. Step 2. You'll need to enter the email or phone number associated with your Google account and then click Next. Step 3. Think back to the last password you remember using with this Google account. Enter it and select Next. Step 4. Check your phone for a notification from Google. If you received it, tap Yes to confirm your identity. Google will ask you to confirm or update your recovery email and phone number. Make sure these are accessible and up to date. Finally, at the bottom of the page, click Continue to Gmail to access your inbox with your newly secured account. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.